Geetika here. So I hope everybody is doing good and great and also following the rules and regulations of COVID-19. And I also hope all my subscribers are enjoying my videos I've been uploading recently. So today I'm back with another super interesting video. So today I'll be showing you how to make a basic cake. It's really simple to make. You can make it whenever you're free and it also takes less time. So let's get started. So now the most important thing, the ingredients. So let's check them out. So first we need 1 cup of maida, then we need baking powder and baking soda. These two are different, be careful about it. Then we need 2 eggs. If you don't have eggs, you can also use curd as well. Then the next thing is the vanilla essence. You get many flavors in it. You can add anything. If you don't have vanilla essence, you can add this cardamom powder. And the next thing is oil, 1/4 cup of oil. Then you need milk. This is just a little bit of milk which you require just for the smoothing of the batter. Then you need like 1 cup of powdered sugar. You have to grind like half cup of sugar so that you get like full 1 cup of powdered sugar. Then these are just for decorating. It's again an optional thing. If you want, you can add, or you can add any chocolates or other stuff. So now let's get started. Add powdered sugar completely. Then you must add the oil. Then the next thing which you have to add is the eggs. So now you have to first mix it and then you can add other ingredients. So you must mix it little more time because the sugar should completely melt in the batter. So you have to mix it a little more time, and the batter should be looking like this, yellowish in color. So now add a bit of vanilla essence or any flavored essence which you have at your home, only a bit. Okay. Then next you must add maida, 1 cup of maida. Now you have to mix it a bit. Then add baking powder, just this much of amount. Okay. Then next is baking soda. This also like a pinch or more than a pinch. Now just mix it. So now the texture or the material batter will be looking like this, very hard. So now you have to add the warm milk which I said in earlier. You have to add slowly and little quantity, don't add more at a time. And you have to mix it like, we have 2 methods to mix. You can like directly mix it like this, or like the cut and fold method. You can use anything. I'm using the first one which is easier for me. Okay. So keep on like adding the warm milk slowly. So the final batter will be looking like this, smooth and creamy. So it should be looking like this. So now I'll be adding these tutti fruttis. So I said these are optional. They are just for like decorating purpose. You can add chocolate or choco chips or any other stuff if you have any. And you can add how many ever you want. So now we have to mix the batter for other 5 to 10 minutes so that it becomes a smooth and like this texture. So yes, if you're done, you're almost done with the recipe as well. And yes, I'm making this cake for my dad's birthday, which is tomorrow. I hope he will like it. Now for the cake tray, I've applied oil and maida on top of it, so it should be looking like this. You can also use the butter paper which you get in the market. If you don't have that, you can use as well. So now we'll be adding the cake batter into this. Now you have to tap them for 5 minutes so that you see these bubbles should just vanish just for 5 minutes, and then you're ready to bake your cake. So for now the kadai, you have to use a kadai which correctly fits your cake tin, and you have to preheat it for 5 minutes. After that you place your cake in it with a stand in it. You can also use stands which you have. After that you have to cover it with a lid for 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, let's check if the cake is ready or not. You have to just see it's completely ready. So now we have to turn off the gas and let it cool for other half an hour. Now the cake's ready. You can see how fluffy and soft it has turned out. I'm really happy for this cake. I hope you liked my recipe and enjoyed it too. Make sure you try it at least once and share your feelings and your experiences in the comment section below. And for my next video, stay subscribed and stay safe. Bye.